to say 5 words in Japanese since we're in Tokyo? Come on!
Yay! The first word we're going to learn how to say is hi. Here is how it looks in Japanese. And here is how it looks when written in English. Now let's say it. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Got it? You give it a try. Konnichiwa. Your turn. Good job. Okay, thank you is the next word that we're going to learn. And this is how it looks in Japanese. And this is how it looks written in English. Ready? Arigato. Arigato. Ready to give it a try? Arigato. Your turn. Really good job. The third word we're going to learn how to say in Japanese is yes. Here's how it's written in Japanese. And here's how it's written in English. And this is how you say it. Hi. Hi. Your turn. Hi. Good job. Number 4. We're going to learn how to say please in Japanese. This is how it looks in Japanese. And this is how it looks written in English. Are you ready for this one? Onigai shimasu. Onigai shimasu. Onigai shimasu. Your turn. Onigai shimasu. Good job. Onigai shimasu. And the last word we're going to learn how to say in Japanese is no. This is how it looks in Japanese, and this is how it looks in English. You ready? Iie. Iie. You want to give it a try? Iie. Good job. You did awesome.
Make sure you remember those 5 words next time you're in Tokyo. See you next time. Bye!
So grab your passport and travel along with me. Passport Poppy!